You drink coffee, I sip my tea. Yorkshire gold, that's the key. Kippers for breakfast, oh what a treat. A flat cap crown on this king seat. I'm a Yorkshire man, a Yorkshire man from Barnsley town. I take my stand with the walking stick and a cheeky grin. I'll see the love when I'm back again. Whoa.
Yeah, so I'm at my great escape, the sheep farm again. I love it. Not far from where I live. Bloody gorgeous place. Not many here. I think there's a couple of campers. Quite good at night. Awesome place. Love it. I'll walk down at the pub in a minute. I've got plenty of snap. Oh, I've got my fridge going. On solar panels. For now. Then my power bank will just take over later. I'll just plug them into the van on leisure batteries. Love it. Yeah, so back at my favourite haunt, enjoying myself. I don't think Dave's coming. Oh yeah, anybody's coming to be honest, but I don't mind. I just love it being on my own. Just love being on my own as well. It's nice to have company, but if I'm on my own, I'm on my own, and I really enjoy it. Just to get me out into the clean country air. Awesome. I'll bring you back in a bit. I've got plenty of snap to come. Right, second day. There's only me here. There were a couple of cars here yesterday, probably one in that shepherd's hut. There's only me in the field. It's bloody lovely. The campsite over yonder, it's heaving. If I can zoom in on it. Yeah, just seeing distance. Keep my fingers still. Yeah. That one's heaving over there and there's no bugger in here. I've got a place to myself. So, now, I've had well, it's not my idea, I copied this off Dave Sourbox. Now, you know your standard camping gas stove, right? You get a windbreaker to put around it. But your windbreaker blows all over the shop while you've got to prop stuff up against it. Now, it's got some magnets, so I was on a car boot last Sunday and I've seen some industrial type magnets, whether they're out of a speaker or what, I don't know. But absolutely bob on. Perfectly holding the windbreaker on. So I can cook outside, I don't have to go in there and cook and make it all stinky. Right, so this is like 11's before I go for the cockles and mushy peas. So I've got a pizza just to tidy me on. Ready for mushy peas and cockles. Hey, lovely. Cheapo pizza, but I've added a little bit of extra cheese. Right, catch you next time. I'm cooking. Lovely jubbly. It's really hot here. Yeah, it is.
You drink coffee, I sip my tea. Yorkshire gold, that's the key. Kippers for breakfast, oh what a treat. A flat cap crown on this king seat. I'm a Yorkshire man, a Yorkshire man from Barnsley town. I take my stand with the walking stick and a cheeky grin. I'll see again. Whoa. Rolling hills where the sheep roam free, pie and peas, that's home to me. Down the pub where the laughter flows, a pine in hand where the friendship grows. I'm a Yorkshire man, a Yorkshire man, from Barnsley town. I take my stand with a walking stick and a cheeky grin. I'll see the love when I'm back again. We speak our mind, we stand our ground. In Yorkshire spirit, we're tightly bound. Yeah. Rain or shine, it's all the same. Barnsley's pride runs through my veins. Yeah. Rain or shine, it's all the same. Barnsley's pride runs through my veins. I'm a Yorkshire man, a Yorkshire man, from Barnsley town. I take my stand with the walking stick.
Right, mid-afternoon at the sheep farm. Ridge monkey, mid-afternoon snack. Ho ho. Now then, what we got? Black pudding. Come on, you little bugger. Get out. Out. Black pudding. Streaky. Smoked bacon. British bacon. Of course it's British bacon. You don't want none of this Danish stuff. Peter bloody Schmeichel. Right. So, black pudding, bacon. Gotta have some bloody HP sauce on, haven't we? A bit of spicy HP. Let's get it on. Happy days. Right. And a can of San Miguel to wash it down with, as you do. I'm going to enjoy this just to put me on till tea time. Jolly good. There we go. Yeah, no doubt you just seen me doing the camp singing in the rain video with my walking stick. It's not much. It's what's the temperature? 19 degrees, 64%. Yeah, it's like, oh, this must be sour butts. I think this is sour butts coming in. It is. You alright, Paul? That were unexpected. I was just doing a little video of the showers and you turn up. You brought the rain, hadn't you? From bleeding Stockport or wherever you...
Sonny Jim! Come on, buddy! Come on, little lad! You little legs! Little funny dog! He's nice, isn't he? Yeah, I'm gonna put my fucking jacket on, I think. Okay, come on.
So you come out the farm and you've got the Yonder Man Cafe across the road, which is quite popular with bikers and that. A couple of farm dogs in here. And then literally just down the road you have got the Three Stags Heads, the infamous, awesome pub. Oldie worldy pub. It's probably one of the most oldest pubs in England. It's right on a busy main road as well, to be honest, into Buxton. Yeah, 3 stags. Yeah. So you've seen plenty of my videos. That's how far it is from the gates of the farm.
Complete opposite.
Right, I've met some guys at the campsite who obviously weekend warriors in the vans and that.
Sam from Hereford.
Ooh, Hereford.
And he shows you funny.
I can't read and I can't write, but I can drive a tractor.
You're thinking right.
And I got South African lad and
Help me, dog.
help me duck. We've got an help me duck. I think they're all living in Belper. Obviously when they say help me duck.
The Belper massive.
So these guys are like subscribers now. Hopefully.
I need a piss.
Right, this is for Mr. and Mrs. Steve Frog Moon. Steve and Kaz are on about mushy peas and cockles. Now then, I like mushy peas, I like cockles, I've never tried them together. So that could be quite interesting. I'm going to try that later on. Right. Happy days. Cheers, bye. So we're going for it. Mushy peas and cockles. And apparently it's good to put mint sauce in your mushy peas. Which, yeah, I'm good with that. So I'm going to get a good scoopful of mint sauce. Whack that in. Stir it up with the mushy peas. Yeah, happy with that. Sorry about the lighting. It is dark and I'm using the campervan lights. Right. I've strained the cockles. These fuckers. Right, get them in. In they go. Right, the cockles are in. I tell you what though, these jars, cockles and muckles jars, they make nice candle jars, don't they, when you wash them out and that. You get all reflections off them if you put them tea lights in and that. So, right, we'll mix these cockles up with the mushy peas, mint sauce. It looks fucking revolting, but I like them both. I suppose together they will be quite nice, especially with that added mint sauce in there. I nearly did some new tatties, like, you know, like frying it and whatever. But to be honest, I'll try it. There we go. Okay. In fact, I'm going to have a spoonful now, right? Right, that's going in gob. Do you know what? There's a weird, it's like a weird seaside taste. It makes you feel like you're at seaside. We're just missing chips. Yeah, you get crunchiness. Crunchy salt from bloody cockles. Yeah. I tell you what, it's not bad. I'll be shitting out my ass tomorrow.
I wake up slow, the sun's my clock. No walls to hold, just sky and rock. A coffee tin a fire's low hum, the only sound the river runs. And I love being on my own, by the sea or mountains grown. No one here to call my name, just the wind and the wild untamed. The pine trees sway, they sing their tune. A lone hawk rides the afternoon. Salt air bites, the waves roll in. Freedom's found where life begins. No crowds, no chatter, no phone in hand. Just me in this untamed land.